In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Claude AI. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use inside Claude's settings to link an account through the connectors feature. This process is straightforward, and I'll add helpful context so you know what to expect on each screen. First, open your Claude account and make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace. Starting from the main interface, head to your profile menu in the top corner. From there, select Settings. This is where Claude keeps all the preferences and integrations that control how your account connects to outside services. Inside Settings, look for the Connectors section. Connectors let Claude securely link to third-party tools so it can access the data you intentionally allow. Click into Connectors, then choose Browse Connectors. That opens a searchable catalog where you can quickly find supported services. Use the search bar at the top to look for PayPal. If the PayPal connector is available to your account, it will appear in the results. Click it to open the connector page, then select Connect. At this point, follow the prompts shown on your screen. Typically, you'll see a secure permissions window where you review what access is being requested and then confirm. Keep an eye out for a browser pop-up notification. If you have a pop-up blocker, you may need to allow the window to continue. Once you finish the on-screen prompts, return to Claude and wait a moment while the connection finalizes. If you don't see PayPal in your results, don't worry. Connector availability can vary by region, plan, or workspace settings. As a reference, you might notice popular options like Google Drive in the catalog. The steps are identical across services. Search for the connector, click it, choose Connect, and then follow the permissions prompts that appear. When PayPal is supported for your workspace, you'll use the same flow to connect it. A couple of tips as you go: make sure you're linking the correct account if you manage multiple profiles, and read the permission details so you understand exactly what's being shared. If your organization is managed by an admin, they may control which connectors are available, so you may need to check with them if something doesn't appear. That's it. Open your Claude account, go to your profile, click Settings, choose Connectors, browse the catalog, search for PayPal, click it, then connect and follow the prompts on your screen. Once completed, you're all set and the connector will be ready to use.